Hello everyone, welcome to Fix Zone.
Today we will be discussing how to change the messenger ringtone on your iPhone. It's a pretty straightforward process, so let's get right into it. First, find the Settings app on your iPhone and open it. Now scroll down until you see Sounds and Haptics, and tap on that. Okay, now you want to scroll down again until you find the ringtone option.
Tap on Ringtone.
By default, you'll probably see Reflection selected. This is your current ringtone. To change it, just choose a new ringtone from the list provided. You can scroll through and listen to previews by tapping on them. If you want even more options, tap on Classic at the top to access a list of classic ringtones. For this example, let's select Radial.
Play Radial Ringtone Preview.
If you're looking to create a custom ringtone for your iPhone, I recommend checking out the guides linked in the description of this video below. They'll walk you through the whole process. Once you've chosen your new ringtone, just go back to the Settings app.
You're all set.
Now the next time you receive a call through the Messenger app, you'll hear your new ringtone. Just keep in mind that this is a global setting. So you'll also hear this ringtone for all other types of calls you receive on your iPhone. And that's it.
Super simple, right?
If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. It really helps us out. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below. Thanks for watching Fix Zone.